pleasant walk in Spokane's Bowl and Pitcher area. Encountered many other hikers. But most of all, the dogs loved it. Went on to go to the pool and did a barbecue at Irene's, highlighted by teaching Diesel to swim.
Bowl and Pitcher. Water level is pretty low right now. People fishing all along the edge of the banks there. Nobody's in the water though. Water level is pretty low. You can see by the lines on the rocks where the high water mark is, and all the logs that got swished down the river. This is the top of the Bowl and Pitcher area. Look at my choo-choo. He's being the king of the mountain. This is the top of the Bowl and Pitcher area. All these basalt formations up around that corner. Lassie and the Rapids. Lassie and the Rapids. Right, but I'm not. He's yucky. You guys are trying to go get some crawdads and stuff? What's he doing? Oh, well, they're kind of like bugs, but they're edible. It's supposed to be waterproof. Well, we got a stick. Young Jack in the making. Ah. Yeah, once we get someplace where it's not as yucky. It's nice and cool and refreshing in there. Chewy! The Bowl and Pitcher kids. Hi. Wow, that's interesting. I never would have thought of a good way to do that. He's what? Oh, somebody want to carry him? They'll have to go get the grass. But had nothing to do with the taste. Come on, Diesel, we'll go on the float together. Come on, Diesel, this way, this way. Okay, let's go get it. Go get the ball. Let's go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get it. Where's the ball at? Go get it.
Come on, Diesel.
Let's get the ball, huh? Get the ball. Go get it. Ball.
He'll paddle if he was,
Chill. Hey, Diesel. Hey, Diesel. Letting him chill, huh? Where's the ball? Go get the ball. You can go down the slide. I want to get a video of you going down the slide. I want to get a video of you going down the slide. No, they won't attack him. We'll see. No.
The hat sunk. Oh, he's diving for it.
He dove underwater for the hat.
But he's stuck because of the life jacket. It's sunk. They can't find the hat. Uh-oh. Somebody got launched.
Oh gosh.
Did you get it? Video?
No, well, he wants me to film.
Oh, he wants you to film.
Hello. Yeah. What am I filming? Diesels?
Yeah.